Also tonight, an insurance giant accused of ripping off Oklahoma customers, denying their claims. And now the company is taking legal action of its own.
This company is trying to push the attorney general out of the case now, keeping the state's highest attorney from joining in to help Oklahoma customers who are frustrated about those denials. News 4's Spencer Humphrey is on the story. He's been digging into this lawsuit. One other unusual aspect, Spencer, this company is suing a judge.
Yeah, that's right. And that insurance company we're talking about is State Farm. Amid mounting claims that they've been systematically ripping off Oklahoma customers, they're now hoping the state's Supreme Court will tell Attorney General Gentner Drummond to back off from representing those customers.
Insurance giant State Farm pushing back against Attorney General Gentner Drummond's plan to intervene in a lawsuit against them by filing a lawsuit of their own, asking the Oklahoma Supreme Court to rule whether Drummond actually has the power to step in on that lawsuit against them. An Oklahoma County couple filed that lawsuit last year, alleging State Farm ran a coordinated scheme to limit and deny hail-related roof claims in Oklahoma. Drummond said there were likely hundreds of other cases where that one came from.
We've had sufficient number of complaints from consumers that something is not right.
Last month, the Oklahoma County judge overseeing that lawsuit approved Drummond's request to intervene and use his resources to help represent that couple suing.
That is the 800-pound gorilla against the 1,000-pound gorilla State Farm. So it really would tend to add more resources to their advantage, potentially.
Now, in its own lawsuit filed this month, State Farm's lawyers argued the Attorney General doesn't have the authority to step in on an individual lawsuit like this one, asking the state Supreme Court to order he back away.
At this point, it is a case about one policyholder and one claim, or maybe two. If the Attorney General steps in, that means that he and his office are going to have access to all of the discovery, the information and the materials that the plaintiff has gotten from State Farm, and that the Attorney General can then either take the lead on the case or can use those materials potentially on down the road for a much larger action.
And for a massive company like State Farm, legal experts say they'd probably much prefer each case be its own individual lawsuit rather than lumping them all together.
Individually, you'll set up all these different judges across the state and get maybe potentially different rulings. And it tends to benefit a giant defendant if they take on their opposition one at a time.
And Attorney General Drummond was not available to give us an interview today, but in a statement, his office's spokesperson told us, "Our office intervened based on the statutory authority to protect the collective interests of Oklahoma consumers, and we are confident the court will recognize that authority."